Camera, lights, action.
Okay, so hello and welcome to our channel. So watching this video, this is Somash and we are watching Sunday. So as you guys can see, this is my bike. It's been a while that I have uploaded any video on this channel. This is a Xpulse 200. This is a PS6 variant and not the 4V valve. It is the 2V valve variant, and I can show you guys that how much limited I've done this. So here is the key. So I've done 99,666 kilometers on this bike, almost 20k. And in this October, this bike is going to complete 2 years of 2 years ceremony. So far this bike is not giving me too much of a struggle. Just there is one issue that the after service of Hero MotoCorp is so pathetic that sometimes a small issue can lead to a bigger issue. So that is a major concern. And yeah, talking about the changes, there are not much modifications that I have done yet on this bike. Just the handlebar I changed to this one. This costed me around 900 rupees with the bar and mirrors and no, not bar and mirrors, bar and blades and fitting and everything. And apart from that, I have applied this metal rods. The one with the stock was not that much of that was not having this side panel, so it was not providing much of a safety. So yeah, this video is basically about the spark plug that I'm going to change on this bike. So right now this bike is running on the stock spark plug, which was company fitted on this one. So I haven't changed it yet. Earlier I used this Mikavi. This is a Mikavi Iridium spark plug, but this got busted in around 3 to 4,000 kilometers. I don't know what happened with it, but this was got busted in around 3 to 3,000 kilometers. And as you guys can see, this is all let out. And right now I'm replacing the stock one with this MGB lighting spark plug. Everything, the numbering and everything is the same. As you guys can see, this is the part number and the MIP and everything is written over here. So I'm replacing the stock one with this one. And talking about the performance, I've used this one earlier, and I can say there is a kind of a nominal difference in the stock and this one. This is just that this gives a better initial pickup in the second or third year. So that I definitely noticed in it. And apart from that, there's no mileage difference in the mileage as such. I haven't noticed any such of that. So this was a Mikavi one. I purchased it from Amazon and it costed me around, I think, 400 to 500, in between of 400 to 500. So let me just switch it to the LGK Iridium spark plug and come back to you. So these are the two tools which I am going to use. These comes in the kit itself of this bike, and this tool stuff and tools are only the basic tools which I am going to use and which will be needing to change the spark plug of I think any bike. So we just need to put it in here and loosen it up. So got a point.
guys can see, this is this stock one, and I think this is got rusted. I don't know how and why, but this got rusted, and you guys can see there's no carbon deposit as such on it. So this one also having MGP only. The only difference is this is a copper based, and the one which I'm replacing right now is the Iridium based. So as you guys can see, the part number is the same. There is no change in it. So let me just bring the MGP one. So by side comparison, you can see that almost everything looks pretty much the same. Just the tip of the spark plug is different. As you can see, let me focus it out. So this one is the copper one, and this one is the iridium one. So the tip is so pointy on this one, and this is a iridium based tip that we are going to use in this bike right now. So for this also we are going to just put it in that. So there is just one reminder you need to take care is that whenever you are tightening the spark plug, just make sure you are firstly tightening it with your hands, so that you can get an idea that every thread is calibrating very nicely and smoothly on it. So I will tighten it with my hand only for a little amount of time, and until it reaches a point where I need to use this tool. So it is almost tight enough. Now what we have done earlier also, just this time we are tightening it up. So I have put it on. Now let's just crank the motor on. It required a lot of kicks for the initial start, but in my past experience I have experienced that Iridium spark plug is good cold starting. This was the first time maybe that's it required a 2-3 kicks. And there is one more thing, that the self of this bike is not working. So that I need to visit the service center. I till started. So for now, I will test this Iridium spark plug for a long term, and will share you the details and will share you the review of it very soon. And also there are a couple of videos that I'm planning to make and upload on the channel, so stay tuned for that.